Shoba Feitu. Welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Car Stands and Class. And I am your nice, good, beautiful, great fan host, Nkupi, the entertainer. I'm on my way to check out V and Sons. Let's go and see what's happening. With or without funds, I will go out, because staying at home and saying I don't have anything doesn't mean anything. I might bump into someone, something might happen, get some, like, it doesn't matter what you do, just make sure you wake up and go out there. Something will come out. It always does. For me, on my side, I think it always does. It shows itself. That's why I'm spoiled enough to know that, well, if I choose to go outside, I will end up seeing something. Something will happen, and I get a little bit of cash. Okwamanje. Let's go. Hey, where you going? Hey guys, just got here. I found the girl is removing an R32 engine. R32 engine. Renewable one guy on age. I go one guy on age. R32. Kano di bala. O tshiletse pipe. O kuletse lenyano. Exhaust. Na para de. Check the koloi, engine out. Ke re bona silicone mo. Khala di mama reja. Do mama reja. Ai. Khono tsho engine le se touching gearbox one. Ke re front ke R32 go felelela. Go felelela. Ukusala yo. Brake booster tsere oli. Ito brake booster ngoli. Ke ile ka. It's charile. Idienge bana batho ba tsere oli. Irlinda kiara ta ubona. So what's no fed engine stop ke starten Ray. Ala ka sanje dala. Tencho moto ana mo di makulu. Kern rega sala dia was charshanya. Lady bow. Ew. Ew, your car, bro. Ew. It started with this, and then now it's ew, bro. And you wanted your car to be fine driving like this. Started with these ones, and then now it's ew. Engine is out. Do it, sure. What the engine is to it is to it. When it's to it, it's to it. On soek die ander een. Yes, Blaine.
Ano naman dyan sa napesala? Kiduchi.
Kiduchi ka?
Kidila som.
Kwelo di dile.
Para ashiwe yalo tumino ka apa straight.
Akuzoze khala ba itotje ka ngani?
Ka gam-gam. It's a gam-gam.
You ka bra. You ka bra boy ke ba
Ka modi.
Like what bra bi.
Ne.
Boy is exhaust and suspension. So these are the hanging parts of the engine. So when an engine is being sold, they don't include these things. So people who come just rock up and hear you saying you're selling an engine, they automatically expect you to just take out the engine from the car and give them with hanging parts. They expect you to just remove the engine from the car with these things attached and give them. And these things are not hanging parts. They are hanging parts. They are not part of the engine. You must know. This needs a top without the intake. Without the intake. So to know that your car is sick, it produces this. I don't even know what to call it.
Milkshake.
This one is beyond the milkshake. This one. It looks like a little bit of blue blacks or something.
Bari overheat legu. If the push, he pull the washer plug.
The excuse you want to mouse in your colleague is a bar.
Away.
Mahorme Jawan. What are 32?
Hey, you're forcing me.
32 Drake. There's a Humana Golf 5 for a front. Look at the engine. Awa ringi awa onale iringi ngwe.
Darki ingaro no tulaga me.
Ai like it. Ai la sangare. Ila rivi awa serieta mona rete. Iya bothata. Diga u. So I'm gonna fetch the engine for this car. I'm gonna fetch it and see well it's dead. Na buka bona na ga eswa aye yesa re bona lo che ka iso wa na re ka mollo aba mollo ta ba wa gafa monna batho ba ta ba golla
BNB. Marobalo.
Buken bed and breakfast. Bona ka 7 ya daughter. Are
Panjeri kwelo.
Ukana kwa ruvu.
Ubona mollo wa magoba skloof.
Ana Rebecca.
Allah wizard.
Timamba.
Awa.
Apele fish tse di chila hanyo le bona di le chi.
Banjere rana.
Kamo. Hole lo tse di ka bomang.
Awa isingani ya.
Ba ta di kwa bo tse di ba bitsa.
Mali mejelo ntrake.
Don't play with it. Okay, yeah.
Kransensi inchomo.
Liga.
Che. Ngoro fuluju. Tsana nagu. Chetu. Stop.
Oh dear.
And why you touch him? And why my put her dear sorry?
When you go when I come at home, I did your mat home. The engine failed. Engine failed, guys. It's not as healthy. So we move. This is our kasi. When you are from their kasi going to our kasi, you see beautiful animal loye. This place is burning. Such a beautiful kasi, and they add burning things. They just burn. No lights. Kupa sampon. Mara go fisha ke eng ba nna batho ba tlo so latsa a se ba bone mago ba setloof it's guys avoid hey oh it lay back tire
you turn user mara galoka se ya mna njui kwa
motho le ba wena ba ya kae
motho la
you go bone
elo re ke di alien di wetsi kwa
o tla di day bana o ka swagana mo kgauso le power line
bana timeela o fitsa
go feta go rote go rote o tsere to loud
ke brand o ifisi
wait a tsara
ya brand root ka tshwara ga
o bona di power line shitile mo godimo o taba bakela lo shidi ke wetelele kudu
ya bua literally so
ya o ka swa ne la ga
go tela ka bona I give a third idea something.
Yeah.
Drinking get vanish nyana.
Ebale.
Yeah, idea gan trailer.
Very flammable. We brand new.
Man, given a run light in here.
Double story.
The rim jela try me like jela go boni.
Go peli di le wodi.
Sure me no na fish straight.
Khauselo mollo so. Nanga monkey. Go green. Go on your school jiri me go. Come on.
Idinge
Old school.
Go Joseph. Go Joe, you like the read.
Oh.
Hello, the rope bluish silverish.
Yes. The cressida.
The much I'm a rebel. I did no blow as a need.
But Nana go put you like
Yes,
that's true.
I got some funny.
I never give you.
Good suspension.